SpaceX expands satellite network with Bandwagon-2 launch. Cape Canaveral, Florida, December 23, 2024. SpaceX has successfully launched 30 satellites into orbit as part of its Bandwagon-2 rideshare mission, marking another milestone in the company's ambitious efforts to make space more accessible and interconnected. The Falcon 9 rocket lifted off at 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from Launch Complex 40 at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, carrying payloads for various customers, including telecommunications firms, scientific institutions, and tech startups. The Bandwagon-2 mission is part of SpaceX's growing rideshare program, which allows multiple clients to share the costs of a single launch. This innovative approach has been lauded for its cost-effectiveness, enabling smaller organizations to deploy their satellites without the prohibitive expenses traditionally associated with space travel. By offering shared access to orbit, SpaceX is democratizing space exploration, fostering innovation, and driving down costs for participants in the burgeoning space economy. A step forward in satellite connectivity. The payload on this mission included a diverse array of satellites, ranging from small CubeSats to nanosatellites and microsatellites. These devices will serve various purposes, from improving global internet connectivity to conducting Earth observation, climate research, and scientific experiments. Among the satellites launched were 5 advanced imaging satellites for a European Earth observation firm, 8 nanosatellites aimed at enhancing maritime tracking systems, and a cluster of communication satellites designed to expand broadband internet access in underserved and remote regions. Additionally, the mission included a scientific payload for a university research program focused on studying space weather phenomena. The Bandwagon-2 mission highlights SpaceX's ability to cater to a wide variety of customer needs. Its rideshare missions are tailored to accommodate diverse payloads, offering flexibility and reliability to clients. The Bandwagon-2 mission also featured the deployment of a new payload adapter system, which streamlined the release of the satellites into precise orbits, ensuring optimal positioning for their respective missions. This advancement demonstrates SpaceX's commitment to improving its satellite delivery mechanisms and enhancing mission efficiency. Falcon 9's reusability shines again. A standout feature of this launch was the Falcon 9's reusable first-stage booster, which successfully landed on the autonomous drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, stationed in the Atlantic Ocean. This marks the booster's 8th flight and recovery, underscoring SpaceX's continued commitment to reducing costs through reusability. The successful landing was met with applause and cheers from SpaceX's mission control team, a testament to the precision and reliability of the company's recovery operations. Reusing rocket components has been a cornerstone of SpaceX's business model since the company began pursuing this strategy in earnest nearly a decade ago. According to company officials, the practice not only lowers launch costs but also reduces the environmental footprint of space exploration by minimizing the need for manufacturing new components. The Bandwagon-2 mission further cements the viability of this approach, setting the stage for more frequent and economical launches. By reducing the cost barrier to entry, SpaceX is enabling a wider range of organizations to participate in space missions. Expanding the horizons of rideshare missions. The Bandwagon-2 mission is not just a testament to technological advancement but also a significant enabler of international collaboration. Several of the payloads were developed by teams from across the globe, including partnerships between private companies and government agencies. This international aspect of the rideshare program strengthens the growing trend of collaborative efforts in space exploration, where different nations and organizations pool resources and expertise for shared goals. One notable participant in this mission was a consortium of Southeast Asian nations launching their first jointly developed weather monitoring satellite. The satellite, equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, will provide critical data for disaster preparedness and agriculture management. This collaborative achievement showcases how affordable access to orbit can empower developing regions to leverage space technology for societal benefits. Additionally, the mission included a payload from a private American company testing a prototype satellite for orbital debris mitigation. This experimental satellite is designed to capture and safely deorbit small pieces of space debris, addressing a growing concern about the sustainability of Earth's orbital environment. If successful, this initiative could pave the way for more active measures to ensure long-term access to space. Global implications of Bandwagon-2. The successful deployment of these 30 satellites underscores SpaceX's role as a leader in the rapidly evolving space industry. With its rideshare program, the company is addressing a critical need for affordable access to orbit, especially for startups, universities, and research organizations that might otherwise struggle to secure launch opportunities. This mission also marks a significant step forward in global satellite deployment, with potential applications spanning telecommunications, environmental monitoring, navigation, and emergency response. Industry analysts believe missions like Bandwagon-2 will accelerate advancements in satellite technology and applications. The increased availability of satellite launches is fostering innovation, said Dr. Elena Ramirez, a space industry analyst. From monitoring climate change to enhancing connectivity in remote areas, the possibilities are endless. As access to space becomes more attainable, we are likely to see a surge in groundbreaking technologies and applications that benefit humanity as a whole. Furthermore, the Bandwagon-2 mission reflects broader trends in the space industry, including the miniaturization of satellite technology and the growing demand for data-driven services. The satellites launched as part of this mission are expected to contribute to a wide range of projects, including tracking deforestation, monitoring ocean health, and improving disaster response capabilities. These efforts align with global priorities such as combating climate change, preserving biodiversity, and ensuring sustainable development. What's next for SpaceX? SpaceX's Bandwagon program is set to continue expanding, with additional rideshare launches planned for 2025 and beyond. The company is also ramping up efforts to deploy its own Starlink satellites, which aim to provide global high-speed internet coverage. As of now, SpaceX has launched over 5,000 Starlink satellites, making it the largest satellite operator in the world. With ambitious plans to expand the Starlink network, the company is working to bridge the digital divide and bring internet access to underserved communities around the globe. Elon Musk, SpaceX's CEO, has emphasized the importance of democratizing space access. "Our rideshare program is a game changer," Musk said in a statement. "It's about giving everyone, from large corporations to small startups, a chance to reach orbit and make an impact on Earth. Whether it's advancing science, improving connectivity, or addressing global challenges, space is the ultimate platform for innovation."